the stars and we say goodbye. And with a lifetime it's our turn to put our footprints all over the world. We live forever wherever we go, leaving footprints all over the world. Keep us together, we'll never let go. We'll leave our footprints all over the world.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Kamusta sa tanan?
Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Wawa.
I
Love. I
love
love you.
Okay, ready, get set.
Happy birthday, Wawa.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Stop. I saw your ear.
Sige, say happy birthday, Lola, babe. Happy birthday, Lola. I love you.
Love you.
Mwah. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you, Mama.
Love you.
And
I
let's
miss
say
you.
goodbye.
Sorry, di ko kauli.
Okay, let's
Next
say
time na
some
lang.
squat.
Okay.
And we hit the buzzer.
And see you soon.
See you soon, Lola.
See you to him.
See you soon, Lola. See you soon, Lola.
See you, Mama.
Lola.
Dula, uy.
Mama.
Malilak mo ka. Napangit. Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day. Full of love, happiness, and joy on your special day. Here from the U.S., Arizona, Denise Jeanette. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Tita! This is Jovi from Scottsdale, Arizona. Hope you're all having fun on this very special day. Happy birthday! Miss you. Love you all. Have a fun day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish all the best.
Wishing you good health and happiness.
Love you.
We
And
miss
get well
you.
soon, okay? Take care of yourself. Love you. Bye.
Hope you're feeling better. Bye-bye,
Miss you
Tita.
a lot. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Daddy, natagan ka o ngayong lawas. Nadagang pag mga tuig nga moabot nimo. Maglipay ka karon sa imong birthday. Magampo ta kanunay aron mangayo taglawas. Aning kamot nga makakilakaw ka. Kaya aron makaani ka diri sa amoa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Dagang pag mga tuig nga moabot nimo. Happy birthday kay Daddy karon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie Daddy. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you. Happy birthday to you, Tita Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Go.
Happy birthday, Tita! God bless you. More birthdays to come and hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday na kay Daddy.
Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday, Tita Daddy.
Hello sa inyong lahat. Sana makadalaw ako riyan pagka may pagkakataon. At happy birthday sa iyo, Daddy. Miss ko na kayo dyan. Next year, sana makapasyan ako riyan. At magpalakas ka. Lagi lang magpe-pray, ha? Okay. Bye-bye.
Hi! Hi sa inyong lahat. Hello, Daddy. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Ay, malapit na ako niyan. Mag-70 ah. 3 years more. 70 na ako. Pagaling ka. Kasi wala na akong makakausap eh. Wala akong matatawagan. Alam mo naman na tayo lang nagtatawagan. Tayo lang nag-uusap. Wala na akong makakausap.
Hi, Auntie Daddy! Happy birthday! Magpalakas ka! See you soon!
Bye!
3, go!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Ate Daddy. Have more years to come. God bless you and good health.
Happy birthday, te. Amping ka kanunay. Hinaot, hatagan ka og dugang kusog og panalangin. We love you so much. Again, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ding. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, te.
Happy birthday, Lola Daddy. We love you. Happiest 70th birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Lola Daddy. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Daddy. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita
Happy birthday,
Daddy.
Tita.
I'd like to tell you that we love you so very much and we'd like to give you lots of hugs and we wish you good health and then see you soon.
I will see you soon, Tita. Have a nice
You take
day.
care. You enjoy your birthday. We love you.
Love you, Tita.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday! We wish you all the best and happiness and we hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita.
We love you!
Love you.
Hello, Tita. Si Yoyok ni. Happy 70th birthday. Wishing you good health, more blessings in life, and never-ending happiness. Naami kanunay kanimo, Tita. Kami ni Mama, sa akong mga igsuon. Dagang-dagang salamat, Tita, sa tanan panahon, uban tang tanan. I do hope that you will be happy. And again, happy 70th birthday, Tita.
Hello. Hi, Tita. Good morning. Morning na diya. Dari sa among good morning naman good. So, anyway, joke. Anyway, Tita, happy birthday. And then, I hope you're feeling better. And then, hopefully that you still have more birthdays to come. And Tita, please, stay active, stay healthy. And then, just find something to do that you can be happy with. Yeah. And happy birthday again and good morning.
Happy birthday, Lola Daddy. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Tita. And I wish you good health and be strong. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Daddy.
Happy birthday, Lola Daddy.
Enjoy your birthday, Auntie, and more birthdays to come.
Cupcake.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Seb.
Seb, say happy
Sebby,
birthday!
why are you just drinking? I'm gonna use this cake to smack you.
Hello, Tita Dati. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hinaot nga magmalipayon ka pirmi, labi na karon sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. Hinaot usab nga magpabaskog ka kanunay, no? Magpabaskog ka kanunay. Og kita salamat gyud kaayo. Salamat kay sa tanan. Salamat kaayo sa tanan nimo nga gitabang usab kanamo. Salamat kaayo sa imuhang pagpangga sa amo nga mga imuhang mga pag-umangkon. Salamat kaayo sa tanan. Hinaot nga mag-amping ug ampo ka kanunay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Daddy. Happy 70th birthday. Wishing you good health and longer life. May God grant all your heart's desire. Dili man kay ta permintiga kita, Tita, pero always remember nga you are always in my prayers. I love you, Tita Daddy. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Daddy. Stay strong and always be happy. We love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Tita Daddy! Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. 70th is a milestone, Tita. Enjoy your party. I love you and I miss you. See you soon. Bye!
Let's start again. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola. Say I love you, Lola. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy 70th birthday. Sorry, di ko ka uli. O, sige lang. I love you. I miss you. Amping dyan na permanente. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Daddy! God bless and good health. Love you! Love you, love you!
Good day!
Hi, Mama! Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Surprise! Yes, naapog ko yung video. Oy, abi mo wala ba? So, Mama, this message is for you. I love you. I love you, Mama. And try gid na ko akong best to support you, to help you. I know na yung situation nga lisod kay tungkol sa imong medical condition. I know kapoy usahay, lisod usahay ang imong situation. Pray lagi ko perminti ka, Lord, nga makaya na nimo imong situation and He will make you better, maka-feel ka better, more comfortable ka sa imong situation. Sorry, Mama, kung wala ko din ha mag-assist sa imo. Sorry kung wala ko din na mag-comfort sa imo, sa imo, especially kung lain mo ginhawa or kanang gusto ka muliho, gusto ka maglaag. But please know nga na ako always ka pray for you. I will always try my best para makatabang in other ways. I pray always for the good health sa atong family and laban na lagi ta maha. Pray lang kita always na okay ang mga results perminti sa mga test. Safe ta always sa itong mga lakaw. Kaya na to, Ima. Laban na ta ha. Enjoy din ha. Starbucks na dayon kay dagan dara kag pang Starbucks. Sana all. Laban ko, be. Enjoy, ha? I love you. I'll see you soon. Mama. Bye. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate Daddy!
Hi, Ate Daddy. Happy birthday and wishing you good health and more years to come, and we miss you.
Miss you, Ate Daddy.
And praying na makabisit ni sa imo ha kuhon, ilili ko mo in God's time. And again,
Maka-join na sa kami.
yes, prayer meeting.
Sa imo, nice.
So, glad.
Enjoy your day, Ate Daddy. Salamat. Because 70 years old and more years to come. And bless you, Ate Daddy.
Nakumalati kay kakaida na. Sis Dads, na-miss ko nang ikalama kita rabay partner sa intercessory. Pray tagit ka na, makanan nga. Mabaskog na ka, ma-healthy na ka yun, kay tagaan ka ni Lord yun, o kuwan pag yun nga kinabuhi. Das daghan pang birthday mo amot niya, mag-upan pa ditang dugay gani sa atong sa Oasis of Love sa intercessory. I miss you, I love you, Sis Dads, happy birthday! Sis John.
Happy birthday, sis. More years to celebrate. More healthy years to celebrate, sis. And God bless you.
Yes, Sis Ring. Hi, Ate Daddy. Ate Daddy, I miss you. Ngayon, I miss you. Happy birthday, Tay. Hopefully, kanang dalang ko tang birthday nga i-celebrate mo, Ate Daddy. More cake to slice and more candles to blow.
Yes. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Daddy.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Nanay Daddy.
Yes. Happy birthday to Daddy. God bless you.
Sis Daddy, happy birthday. Sis nautunta nga nakay peaceful nga panguna-una o padayon lang salig sa Ginoo. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Daddy. Sis Daddy, dali na diri ang pagpaayo na kay para mag-miss ka na rin namo sa rosary, ba? Partner ba ta sa rosary? Sis Daddy, enjoy sa mong birthday. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Ate Daddy. This is Grita, the one calling you after the Holy Rosary.
This is Greta, the one who is calling you after
The Holy Rosary.
the Holy Rosary.
Back a year ago.
Back a year ago.
Back a year ago, Ate Daddy. Happy birthday.
Back a year ago.
See you soon.
See you soon. Happy birthday.
Ate Daddy. See you. Ate Daddy ka.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ate Daddy, mapagaling ka ha?